Everyone, this is Susie. So today we're going to be making another Agua de Horchata recipe, and these are the ingredients we'll be using. You will need some vanilla extract, almond extract, unsweetened soy milk, coconut water, cinnamon tea, ground cinnamon, white rice or any rice that you like or that you have, some vegan cane sugar or any sweetener of your choice, and you will also need a milk bag. Okay, so let's get started. So I took half a cup of white rice and I soaked it overnight, but you can soak it anywhere from 1 hour to 12 hours, it doesn't matter. And now I'm just going to rinse this out. Okay, so I just rinsed my rice, put it in my blender, and I'm going to add a little piece of cinnamon stick, is it? Yeah, Mexican cinnamon. And this is optional, you don't have to do it, but I love cinnamon, so I like adding it to it. And you're going to need a total of 2 cups of water, so you're just going to add a little bit just to blend it. And I'm going to blend this up, okay? So I blended this for about 30 seconds total. I went up to high, and it was about maybe 20 seconds on high. And now we're going to put it through our milk bag. And I'm sure you've seen this before. You're just going to milk it and milk it all the way. I'll be right back. Okay, so with the rest of the water, I just like to pour some of it in. Give this a shake. Okay, put the bag back in, and I just pour it in there. And I milk it again. Okay, and then I take the rest of the water, and I just kind of like pour it in there. And you just want to make sure that you get all the rice flavor out of it. Okay. So I have no use for this, so I just throw it out. Okay, so now for the tea. I make the tea ahead of time, like I showed you guys in the last video about the avena, atole de avena, sorry. So I've been doing a large batch of, cinnamon tea, about 6 cups or so. So for 6 cups, one of these sticks is good enough. So you just put the water and you break up the cinnamon stick and you let it boil until it gets around this color or a little bit darker. And then I just let it cool, store it in my fridge. And I've been using it for the atole de avena, for the agua de horchata. And then I also have another recipe coming up of overnight oats that I also use this tea for. So just so you guys know, okay? So now I'm going to add 1 cup of the cinnamon tea. And 1 cup of the coconut water. It doesn't have to be this brand, of course. Any one that you like is fine. And now 1 cup of the unsweetened soy milk. If you use sweetened milk, you can probably use almond milk or any milk, non-dairy milk that you like. But if it has sweetener, then you're just going to have to add a little bit less sugar, obviously, so it doesn't turn out too sweet. And I have 6 tablespoons of vegan cane sugar. And I'm going to add a little dash of ground cinnamon. And now I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of almond extract, and I'm just going to pour that in there. If you don't like or have almond extract, you don't have to add it, but I love the flavor that it gives this. And you're just going to stir this. And if you're going to add ice to this, you can add a little bit more sugar for that reason, but if not, this should be good. Cheers! Oh my goodness, this is so good. I don't know if this one's better than the other one. It's really, really good. I honestly, when I went vegan, I was like, oh my god, I'm never having horchata again. Because you know how you have to add, like, sometimes even condensed milk or evaporated milk, and I didn't know what would give it that really rich, like, creamy flavor. And this recipe, oh my goodness, it's so good, you guys. Really, really good. And then I just pour it in some jars, and I cover it up, and I put it in the fridge. And it will last you for several days, and just so you know, some of the rice will settle to the bottom, and you don't really even need to stir it. I just leave it there. I don't really even pay attention because this doesn't really change the flavor or anything, so you can just let it settle at the bottom and still drink it and it's fine. So I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.